This tank car is nearing the end of its restoration at the Friends of the Cumbres Toltec Railroad Car Restoration Facility in Antonito, Colorado. One of the last stages in the process is to rivet the access steps to the frame. The Federal Railroad Administration has ruled that these access steps must be hot riveted to the frame for safety reasons, so there is no chance of them coming loose or falling off. Railroad cars are subject to constant vibration when in use, which could cause nut and bolt fixings to become loose or even undone, creating an unsafe situation or even causing the steps to part company with the frame completely. Instead of simple nuts and bolts, the hot riveting process is used to hold the pieces of metal together. The rivet is heated until it is red hot, during which it expands before being placed in position. The rivet gun, which is basically a heavy-duty vibrating hammer, then peens over the end of the rivet. As the rivet cools, the metal contracts and pulls the two pieces of metal tightly together, creating a bond which ensures they won't shake or break apart. The rivet crew first test fits the cold rivet in the prepared hole to make sure it drops into position easily.
Trying to get excited, so.
Well, and you grab it out of the bucket. I mean, it's
Yeah.
crapshoot however it's going to be.
This is followed by one or more practice runs here so that the rivet doesn't cool down before it can be placed into position and riveted in place. Once the crew is happy with the procedure, the cold rivet is placed in a heat-proof container and then heated with an oxyacetylene torch until it is red hot. When it has reached the correct temperature, a pair of tongues is used to quickly transfer the hot rivet to the hole in the frame. The rivet is then held in position and the rivet gun used to peen over the end of the hot rivet. It is a very noisy process.
Probably be better off doing this one now while it's hot.
Okay, whatever.
Now I got it wedged in there good.
Right.
Success. Only another 23 rivets to go.